Good day everyone! JB once again from the M&M Cube Talk. So ngayon, kasama naman natin ang Principe family, especially si Zoe who recently broke the clock single ng 2 beses sa isang round lang. Okay, so Zoe, tanungin kita, ano yung nararamdaman mo ngayon na naka-national record ka ng 2 beses sa isang round na single? And ano yung mga preparations na ginawa mo para ma-set mo tong record na to, bro?
Honestly, yung preparations ko lang, nag-pray, and then sleep, and then practice, and then yes. And I feel really good. And yes.
Okay. So, now naman, let's ask naman yung parents natin kung paano po nila na-maintain yung ACADS, no? Paano na-maintain ni Principe Brothers yung ACADS and yung hobby na speed cubing, no? So, ano po yung mga nakikita nyong ginagawa ng mga excellent yung anak para ma-maintain yung mataas na grades and yung speed cubing po?
Yung kasi kami homeschooling kami.
Apo.
Shout out CFA Homeschooling. Thank you so much. Si Zian and Zoe, madaling turuan sila. Fast learner talaga sila. Kaya since pandemic, nag-decide kami ng husband ko na homeschool sila. So wala kaming problema kasi routine. May routine kami every day na yun, pagkagising, mag-walk, tapos mag-breakfast, may schedule kami. Oo, may schedule kami para mag-aral, may time para mag-cubing, ayun, mag-YouTube, yun. Yan lang.
So, how about you naman po, sir?
Well, ako naman actually yung malaking bagay yung sa mommy nila. No, because sabi nga niya homeschooling kami. So yung sacrifice ng mommy nila no yung time niya ma-divide sa house and sa office. Pero I think yung malaking factor din is yung the both of them kung sino yung nag-excel for a particular moment, yung isa magsusupport and vice versa. Yun yung nakita namin na naging for us maganda yung effect. Kasi imbes na parang mag-compete sila against each other, parang sige, looks like kuya, it's your moment now, I'll support you. On the other hand, oh Zoe, mukhang magandang solve mo ngayon, so we'll give you our support. Ganun lang yung and of course sa amin yung parati namin instill na tignan niyo yung community, no? Tignan niyo yung attitude, yung character, yung humility and everything. Kung hindi kayo dalawang maganda yung laro, support yung mga magandang laro for a particular competition. So yun lang yung talagang sa amin malaking bagay.
Thank you po. So lastly, ask natin naman ang ating clock national record holder and also the champion for the clock event. Also shout out to the brother, si Zian. Okay, ano siya, nung first round, siya yung nasa second place. Okay, and si Mr. National Record holder naman, si Zoe, ay a consistent first place, first round and finals. Okay, so ang galing-galing. So ano namang masasabi mo bro sa mga aspiring clockers natin dyan na gusto ring bumili sa clock someday, na maging kasing level mo sa clock someday? Anong mga advices yung maibibigay nyo? Okay, maibibigay nyo sa mga clockers. Okay, so unahin ka muna natin bro.
Okay.
Ano mga advices?
My advice is practice, make a schedule for practice, and yeah, and pray, and buy a good clock, and turn fast.
Okay.
Turn 7 Simul.
Okay, thank you. How about you bro?
7 Simul is a good thing. And then praying is my that's why I got my NR. Just praying. And then I got focused. And then honestly, 7 Simul is talaga the way.
7 Samuel is the way daw, guys. So once again, congratulations po, Principe family. Congratulations po. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Ang galing po.